Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to do my Out with the Old and Layout Share for my February 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. But it's not the end of the kit, y'all. I have decided to go ahead and incorporate it into my Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches kit that I have put together with two previous Counterfeit Kit Challenge kits. So everything that I have left, let me give you a brief glance at. I'll start with papers. I don't have that many left really. I have 3 sheets of cardstock, a blue and 2 whites. I have a couple sheets of 3 sheets of pattern paper, 3 sheets of pattern paper. Even though that's plain, it's still a pattern on the back. And then I have this piece from the Pocket Page collection, the Picture My Life collection. So that's what I have as far as papers go. Embellishments, I have letter stickers, I have chipboard stickers, I have these stickers, I have all of these stickers, I have Freckled Fawn, these gray and black and green and multicolor and silver. Let me stick the silver under there. I don't want to blind y'all. So that's everything I have as far as alphabet and letters in this kit. I still have a ton of my Pocket Page cards, even though I've used a ton of these. I'm getting down. I mean, you know, it's not an easy process to use so many cards, but I'm doing my best. I have brads left. I have a couple in each of the colors here in blue and green. I have this whole pack of green and this multicolor set here. I have quite a few left. I have enamel dots and puffy stickers. I have those stickers left from Freckled Fawn. These for Freckled Fawn. I have 2 sets of those. This one I've used. I have not used those as of yet. I have used those. I think I've used those. I know I've used those. I haven't used those. I haven't used those. I've used a few from there, a few from here, and a few from here. So you can see I'm making a dent. Label stickers, I have that set, that set, that set, which has just 1 left on it, and then a couple of that set with 1, 2 missing off that sheet. I have stickers that came with the kit. I have washi strips. I have multiple sheets of this. So these 2, I think I've just used, yeah, just this one from here. The next set I have, I've used quite a bit from. You can see comparatively what I've used up. This set I have. This set I have. And these are the 3rd ones that I have not touched of that other style. So let me put those in the back with the others. I do have my stamp, which I haven't used yet. I do have some sequins. I have some embellishments on craft and also on vellum papers. I have some flare and some acetate pieces in here. I have some acetate butterflies. There's all different sorts in here. I haven't used any yet. I have some flowers left. I have wood veneer. I have a ton down in there. And then those. And I have some chipboard left. These are from the Close to My Heart packs. I think I have these. I've used up a ton. Oh, there's that one. Yeah, those are all hearts from Freckled Fawn. These and this are what I have from the Close to My Heart chipboard pieces. So I am getting lower on that, which feels terrific. And then I had also, I don't know if y'all remember, I had also pulled in this set from, oh, what was the name of this collection? Hold on. I'm going to pull it up here. Sophia. And so I have yet to use any of this pulled in, but I have some ideas mixed with some of the other papers from the collection. As far as empties go, I have emptied out several packages already. That was some acrylic shapes. One sticker sheet here. Here's a second sticker sheet. And this one I believe may have been brand new. The other one only had like one left on it. I've used 1, 2, 3 partial packs of enamel dots. So I've done quite a bit. I've gotten quite a bit used already. And so let me show you the 7 layouts that I have made. Okay, I forgot to show you my scraps. Here we go. These are pocket page cards up here in the front and the traveler's notebook paper. I have paper scraps in here and then the larger sizes back here. So all of this will move on into that kit that I have put together for Christy's Beautiful Life. Anywho, so I used a page maps from February 2023 from this month to get the sketches done, or to get my layouts done. And you can see here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did create a layout, or sorry, a video for each of these layouts. It's not a process necessarily, but it is where I show you the products that I have chosen, I show you the sketch, and then I show you what I create. So if with close-ups of the clusters in each of these layouts. So if you're interested, head over and see those. Those videos, they will be on my February 2023 playlist, and you can find them there. Also, I will have close-ups of the whole layout at the end of this video. So if you just want to see the layout as a whole and pause on it for a second just to see it a little bit closer, feel free to do that, because I'll have just the one shot at the end. Anywho, so here we go. This was layout number 1, and I called it Puppy Playtime, and you can see I used pocket page cards on here to make tags. I used buttons, I used chipboard, I used brads, I used lots of labels and that acrylic piece there. Flare I used. I had lots of fun creating this one because it brought back memories of when I originally got this kit. Yeah. I love this kit, and I've made a couple of layouts with it, but I had never finished it off. I had a ton of this pattern paper right here, and I held on to it because I was hoarding it, y'all. And I finally decided this year I'm going to pull this kit in and I'm going to get it used up. So this one is those, I used the pocket page, or sorry, the Traveler's Notebook pages that came from Close to My Heart. The full size look like this with a cluster here and a cluster here, both aiming towards the center with the tops towards the center. I just cut that in half, flipped one around, put it up here, and then put the bottom piece down here. This one is still a whole sheet like this, but the other piece I just cut it off and moved it up so that you could see that. Anywho, that's part of a branding strip there. There's a lot of scraps on here. Yeah, I had a ton of fun creating this layout. That was even a pocket page card from the Picture My Life cards that I cut down into a tab shape and used there. So lots of fun embellishments. These flowers I cut from one of the pocket page cards. I love when I can be creative, y'all. This is one of my favorites, but if y'all have been around, you know I love a grid layout. Now this one I only called for 2 photos, and I stuck fairly close in that respect. I only put 2 photos on it, but I used the other part of the grid, the other 2 corners of the grid, to create my title and my journaling. And so I was able to put clusters here, here, and here to kind of fill it in. This is that paper that I was talking about that I had hoarded. I had this paper 4 times over, because I had bits and pieces in my scraps, and I had 2 full sheets and a partial of a 3rd sheet. So I had it 4 times, y'all, and 2 and almost a 3rd were in this kit because I was hoarding. Yes, I'm that person. Find a product that you love or a paper that you love and pull it back out after a couple of years and see if you can use it again, if you're a hoarder of paper in that respect, like I am. If it was too pretty to use a couple of years ago, pull it out and see if you don't feel like using it now. That's a suggestion for you. This is layout number 4. This one I pulled in my little bowl up here where I had gotten a lot of things from a retreat last summer. Die cuts and such, stickers, pocket page cards. There's some other ephemera type bits in here, stamped and fussy cut, that I picked up at the retreat off the swap table or the get rid of table. And so I brought those home and I was able to layer all of this up down here, do the butterfly here, and then those pieces there, all from that bowl. I used a pocket page, a 4x6 here and a 3x4 here. And really that is the bulk of my layout. That is the bulk of the clustering or the embellishing of this layout, along with this pattern paper, and it's good. We're golden, y'all. So yeah, love how this one turned out. This is layout number 5, and it's the double pager. And I didn't follow the sketch so much as I just wanted to follow the layering of papers, how they had the papers layered back and forth on each page. And so I was able to use a couple more of those Traveler's Notebook pages here. This is one sheet of paper where I've cut it into 6x6. Otherwise, there is numerous pattern paper and plain paper in the background. I had a couple of 4x6 pocket page cards. I used stickers. I used one of those, no, 3 of the bird embellishments that I had painted with my kit. Yeah, love, love, love that I was able to get so much product used up on these without it feeling too very fussy. The last one, day 4, was fussy. This one might even be a little bit fussy. This is day number 6. And again, I use those pocket page, or sorry, Traveler's Notebook pages as my background paper. And then this is a scrap of that floral, that really pretty close to my heart paper that I've been hoarding. Yeah. So I pulled out another piece, another scrap of it to get used up here. I've done a remarkable job using that up, guys. I'm just so proud of myself. Anyway, lots of chipboard pieces, flowers, labels, flair, you name it. And I love doing my journaling on labels like that. I think it's so fun. This is layout number 7. And can you believe it? I actually turned that floral paper upside down and used the back side. I know, who am I? But I did it. I used a couple of branding strips here. I used lots of scraps of paper to mount my photos on. I used some more of those acrylic pieces, flair, enamel dots, labels, another pocket page here, a second pocket page here, a third pocket page I punched these embellishments out of, a fourth I cut this one out, and a fifth I cut that one out. So I really got a lot of use of my pocket page cards on this layout. Anyway, guys, that's it for what's left over. And it is all going into my project box for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches for this month, March 2023. We'll be doing 31 layouts this month, and you will have seen a layout already, or one is coming. I don't know, I don't remember the order that I posted it, if it's before this video or after, but you will see it today. Anyway, I hope to stay caught up with this series. Last time she did it in, was it October? I kept up pretty well, and I stayed a little bit ahead getting them done. I did a project in December of my own, just Christmas layouts every day, layout a day for Christmas in December 2022. And I stayed, there were a couple of times when I made the layout super late the night before so that I could have it posted by early the next morning. And I don't want to do that again this time, y'all. I want to stay a little bit ahead. So wish me luck on that. And if you're not participating, I would encourage you to pull some of the sketches that she's posting on a daily basis and see which ones work for you. See which ones that everybody is posting their layouts by being influenced or starting or inspired by that sketch. See what inspires you, and even if you don't download the sketch, download a layout or pull up a layout and scrap along as Christy's going day by day, and you will have a ton of layouts done by the end of the month. Even if you don't do every single one of them, if you do 5, if you do 4, that's a ton of layouts, guys. I encourage you to play along. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow on another video. So anyway, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.